I find it hilarious that you ask a creator a question that they clearly saw and they don't answer you purposely. You want to know why that happens? The reason they don't answer is because they think you should pay them with a super chat for asking them questions. Now, after witnessing this going down, they have the intestinal fortitude to start a super chat challenge. And if you don't meet the goal, commercials are getting turned on. I like Megan, but commercial threats to get super chat sends the wrong message in my opinion. Maybe in the future, you should try answering my question, because you could have had the opportunity to get a free washer and dryer combo, and I'm not paying you to answer my questions.